Hallelujah! We are back again on Violence Fire Hour with your one and only, the Apostle of Violence. I must celebrate you. I celebrate you. I already see celebrations because from the last episode, so many things happened, so many miracles happened. There were so many testimonies. Don't mind those talks that came to our studio to embarrass us. We were able to settle them, sort them out. We even laid hands on them. We were delivered. We even prophesied on them. They received deliverance. They will not dare it again. They can't even dare it again. They made a mistake. Yes, I came with something special today. It's a special grace that I came with. I came with a special oil. A fresh oil that's about to turn your life around. An oil that will even turn around a city, a nation. In fact, a continent is going to shake the world. That's what I can show you. I already hear voices telling me that there are going to be many manifestations across Africa. There is something happening in Africa now. It's a special ministration already going on in Africa. It is just a special oil spreading and it's spreading. There is about to be a turnaround in Africa. Yes, even in Europe, I hear voices telling me that things are going to happen in Europe. I already hear that there's supposed to be an earthquake in a major city in Europe. I just averted it. I just swallowed up the earthquake now. I just swallowed up earthquake. In the rest of America, there's supposed to be a major tornado. I just swallowed the tornado. I ate it. I chewed it.
Oh, not too much.
So I came with a very special anointing. The oil is so hot. It's the type of oil that is hot too. That kind of oil that when it gets to anything, you will burn anything negative. Now, let's give a short exhortation. Now, open with me. Go to the book of Haggai. Haggai chapter 2. From verse 1, he said, in the 7th month, in the 120th day of the month, came the word of the Lord by the prophet Haggai, saying, now I have to rephrase it because this is the 9th month. So now I'm going to say based on what we are now. In the 9th month, which is the month of September, in the 9th month, in the 01st day of the month, came the word of the Lord by the Apostoofvawulence, saying, now let's continue now. He said, speak now to Zerubbabel, the son of Shealtiel, governor of Judah, and to Joshua, the son of Josedek, the high priest, and to the residue of the people, saying, who is left among you that saw this house in her first glory? And how do you see it now? Is it not your eyes in comparison of it as nothing? Now I will fast track now. Go to verses. He said, for thus saith the Lord of hosts, yet once it is a little while, and I will shake the heavens and the earth, and the sea and the dry land. Now, go to verse 9. He said, the glory of this latter house shall be greater than the former, said the Lord of hosts. And in this place will I give peace, said the Lord of hosts. Today, I came to give you a new glory. A new glory. Continue. A new glory. Today, I came to replace things in your life. Today, I came to even replace your health. I came to replace your heart, your organ, your kidney. I came to replace your ass. As some of you are living in mothers. Today, I came with the oil to replace your mothers. Some of you are going to be having mass suffering. Now, even in Africa, there are things going on now. He said, the glory of the latter shall be greater than the former. Those military coups are going on. They are not ordinary. There's a new glory flowing. But for those that are still sit-tight presidents in Africa, hear the word. Sow a seed ye to the Apostoofvawulence for your seat to be retained.
You'll be mumu.
And for you to also have good governance. If not, you know those young boys now, they will come for you. The glory of the latter shall be greater than the former. Now, as I speak, I'm actually already hearing voices. I'm hearing voices. Yes, now, there is somebody you trended in a video in the later part of August. Yes, you trended in a very bad way. Where I came to give a fresh glory to cover that shame. Your name is Esther. Your video trended online everywhere. Can you imagine nudity? Where I came to give you fresh glory, but you need to sow a seed for that shame to be erased from your life. I came to replace shame with glory. There's another person. Yes, there is somebody in Africa. You are a president. You are a city president, but you have fear. You are afraid right now that what is going on in Africa now may get to your turn. But when you sow a fresh seed and quit deceit, quit deceiving people, and just surrender, your heart will be clear and you'll be free. But you need to sow a seed to succeed. Yes, I hear another voice telling me something about palliatives. Palliatives are about to be busted. More warehouses are about to be busted across Nigeria. All those politicians that you have been keeping palliatives, they are about to divorce those wares. I hear voices telling me now that open ye the palliatives house because the glory of the latter shall be greater than that former palliative. All those expired rights, they are still useful. Let the poor breathe. Let the poor breathe. Let the poor breathe. The palliatives are made for the poor. Release it. So the palliatives are seized. Bust the warehouse by yourself because the boys will go there themselves. So the girls will go there themselves. So, but more importantly, for your governance to succeed, all the governors in Nigeria, I hear voices telling me now that sow a seed now. Go to our global domiciliary, sow that seed for your government to become stable. For your government to become stable. For your government to become stable. Yes, more persons are actually coming to me telling me about situations. I hear voices telling me that all the presidents in Africa that are left, that are not be overtaken by military juntas, you need to sow a seed to our global domiciliary for your government to remain. For your government to remain. I'm not joking. There's another country you're about to have a coup there. But if you sow a seed to our global domiciliary, that coup will also expire. The glory of the land shall be greater than the former in Africa. There shall be good governance now. Unless this shall expire. Just sow a seed for your government to become stable. Yes, I hear more voices. There are some political persons in the last administration of Nigeria that you lost your jobs. Some of you that were prophesied on, you are yet to sow your seed. I hear voices telling me now that you are about to go more jobless. Yeah, there's one. You are supposed to become a cleaner now under the Jagaba government. But you are wasting your time. I don't know what you are waiting for. Your name is called Gaba. There's another man. Your name is called Femi. There is a job they care for you as well job at Asurok. You have not been able to sow this seed. That's why they are not giving you that job yet. You better.
You want that?